Number 16, Panther 8X8. With a 19,000-liter extinguishing compound capacity and a pump output of 10,000 Olemin, it handles the most demanding fire situations effortlessly. The Panther 8X8 isn't just about speed, it's a titan of extinguishing power. The joystick-controlled turret ensures precise foam and water discharge. Number 17, the Pacific P12 in SnowRunner is a true powerhouse. This super heavy truck, known for its role in the Canadian logging industry, offers a unique blend of off-road and heavy-class capabilities. It features a 6x6 drivetrain and various body add-ons, making it versatile for different tasks. As a recovery vehicle, it can be equipped with a large service body or flatbed, and it can also serve as a mobile fueling station. Although it has an average fuel capacity of 350 ml, its fuel consumption is higher due to its performance in rough terrain.
Ever seen a machine dance with trees? The Komatsu 951XC and C164 harvester head are a match made in forestry heaven. This 8-wheeled beauty tackles steep slopes like a mountain goat, and its fuel efficiency is off the charts. The C164, it's a tree processing pro, boosting productivity while keeping Mother Nature happy. Who says logging can't be eco-friendly? This image captures a living relic of woodworking history. In Herend, Norway, this water-powered sawmill has been humming since the late 1500s. Even today, skilled hands keep its gears turning, passing down the craft to new generations. It's a testament to tradition and a beautiful piece of Norway's past. Ever wondered how a falling tree could be awe-inspiring? This video of the big hemlocks felling will show you why it's captivated so many. The sheer size and power on display is truly humbling. John Deere. 1110E? More like John Deere can do anything E. Seriously, this thing is a superhero on slopes. Your wallet might need a superhero cape too, though, because it's about $350,000. The LX55 portable sawmill isn't just a tool, it's your ticket to precision lumber. American-made and built to last, this sawmill is perfect for anyone looking to turn their woodworking dreams into reality. Smooth operation, accurate cuts, and a price that won't break the bank. What's not to love? Imagine sitting in the cabin of the EcoLog 688E, rotating 360 degrees to take in the full view of the forest before making precise cuts. The Waratah H415, with its intelligent sensor technology, acts like a sculptor, creating perfect slices on each tree trunk. This combination not only delivers superior performance, but also elevates the work experience to a whole new level.
Number 9. The Bucyrus RH90C is a formidable crawler excavator. Built between 2010 and 2011, it weighs a hefty 175 tons. Its transport width is 6.125 meters, and it delivers a powerful tear-out force of 109 kN. The machine has a dredging depth of 2 meters and a horizontal reach of up to 12 meters, making it ideal for extensive excavation work. The bucket, which is 3 meters wide, offers a capacity of 6 to 12 human, with added features like air conditioning and a diesel particulate filter. The RH90C ensures a comfortable and environmentally friendly operation. Number 10, check out the MTTD20 Cat 777 Mega Water Tank. This beast carries 20,000 gallons and is designed for seamless integration with the Cat 777G truck chassis. The Mega M4B water pump delivers over 1,000 GPM at more than 100 PSI, while the spray heads offer fully adjustable volume, width, and direction, creating a 90-foot wide spray pattern. Perfect for large-scale mining and construction projects. Number 11, the Komatsu HD785 is a standout in the world of heavy-duty trucks. This massive vehicle, produced by the Japanese multinational Komatsu, is designed for extreme environments like open-pit mining and large construction sites. Standing 5.2 meters tall and weighing over 100 tons, it can carry up to 90 tons of material. The 1175 HP diesel engine provides the power needed for tough jobs, while the advanced diesel-electric drive system enhances performance and fuel efficiency. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, equipped with all the necessary amenities. Safety features such as ABS, ESC, and collision warning make it a top choice for any heavy-duty operation. Number 12, Caterpillar 24H Grader. With an engine power of 373 kilobars, this heavy-duty grader is perfect for large-scale earth-moving tasks. Weighing 61.5 kg, measuring 15.8 430 4.22 meters, Caterpillar 24H Grader is in excellent working condition. Number 13, the Bell 4206D scraper stands out with its ground clearance of 23 inches, 57 centimeters, and an overall height of 12 feet, 4 meters. Measuring 279 inches, 709 centimeters in length, with a wheelbase and width of 12 feet, 4 meters, it's built for stability and durability. The scraper is equipped with a Mercedes-Benz OM501LA engine, providing 413 HP, 380 kWh at 1800 RPM, with a displacement of 729 cu and 11,951 cm. The hydraulic system has a pump flow capacity of 79 GPM, 300 LPM, and a relief valve pressure of 117 psi, with a fuel capacity of 128 gallons, 485 liters, and an operating voltage of 24 volts. It's designed for efficiency and reliability.
it comes to adaptability, the Ponzi Scorpion King is the undisputed champion. Like a majestic king navigating through a snowy landscape, this machine conquers any terrain with ease. Its comfortable cabin, advanced control system, and fuel efficiency make it a pleasure to operate, while the H7 harvester head, with its power and precision, leaves no doubt about its productivity. Though the price tag may seem steep, hovering around $385,000, it's an investment that will undoubtedly pay dividends for any forestry company. The Maho Minimax is like a magic box that turns big logs into perfect planks. It's got a super strong engine that can cut any size you want, and it's so easy to move around and set up. You don't need to be a pro to use it, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can turn your backyard into a lumberyard. It's the perfect way to start your woodworking journey and create something truly special with your own hands. Imagine sitting in the cabin of the EcoLog 688E, rotating 360 degrees to take in the full view of the forest before making precise cuts. The Waratah H415, with its intelligent sensor technology, acts like a sculptor, creating perfect slices on each tree trunk. This combination not only delivers superior performance, but also elevates the work experience to a whole new level. That demonstration was certainly impressive. However, I believe we should consider alternative methods that prioritize safety and equipment longevity. By splitting the load and making 2 trips, we can minimize risk and reduce wear and tear on the skidder.
Number 1. The Tesmec 1675 EVO. Chainsaw Trencher is a powerhouse in the world of trenching machinery. Designed for large diameter pipelines and deep trenching projects, this machine can dig up to 24 feet deep and 72 inches wide. With its 760 HP engine and advanced Trenchtronic 4.0 system, the 1675 EVO CS combines high chain pull with low chain speed, making it ideal for tough, abrasive rock conditions. It's a true beast for any heavy-duty trenching job. Number 2. The XCMG XC93 ferro wheel loader is truly a marvel of modern engineering. Designed for tough mining conditions, it boasts a 35-ton capacity and an electric drive system that enhances efficiency and reduces energy consumption. The hydraulic system is responsive and smooth, making operations seamless. The ergonomic cab ensures safety and comfort for the operator. This machine not only improves productivity, but also significantly cuts down on operational costs. It's clear that the XC9 350 is a top choice for anyone in the mining industry looking to maximize efficiency and reliability. Number 3. Letourneau G175. Standing 10 meters tall and weighing in at 200 tons, it's one of the largest tree crushers in the world. Designed by the renowned American company Letourneau, this beast is built to clear dense forest areas quickly and efficiently. The G175 boasts massive 4-meter diameter wheels, making it perfect for rugged terrain. Its powerful crushing shaft with sharp steel teeth can handle trees up to 2 meters in diameter. This machine is a game changer, saving time and costs while minimizing environmental impact by avoiding the need for burning. Number 4. The Hitachi X2500 is all about efficiency and productivity. With a 1300 HP engine and operating weight over 520,000 lbs, it tackles the toughest jobs with ease. Its massive bucket capacities, 14.3 M3 for the shovel and 13.8 M3 for the backhoe, make it a productivity beast. Designed for easy maintenance, the X2500 keeps downtime to a minimum, maximizing your operations efficiency.
Imagine the Oversize as a graceful dancer, waltzing through the forest with a gentle touch. Its 8 wheels are like nimble feet, effortlessly navigating the uneven terrain. The cabin is a cozy haven, a sanctuary where the operator becomes one with the machine. The Oversize's powerful heart beats in rhythm with nature, its fuel efficiency a testament to its harmony with the environment. It's a symphony of sustainable forestry, a testament to human ingenuity and respect for the natural world. That demonstration was certainly impressive. However, I believe we should consider alternative methods that prioritize safety and equipment longevity. By splitting the load and making 2 trips, we can minimize risk and reduce wear and tear on the skidder. Ever dreamed of being a lumberjack and an astronaut? Well, the HSM 405 H3L steel hang is your ticket to both. This machine doesn't just harvest trees, it dances up mountains like a pro climber. The 360-degree rotating cabin? It's your personal spaceship, offering breathtaking views. And watch those hydraulic arms gracefully lift massive trees. It's like watching a ballet of power and precision. So, buckle up, folks, because this machine is taking forestry to a whole new level. Can you believe he is taking down a 14-foot western red cedar? The chainsaw sounds so loud, like a monster roaring to life. It's kind of scary, but also super exciting. And then, it's over in a second, but the feeling stays with you forever. Whoa, that was close. They must have nerves of steel and some serious skills to pull that off. This guy found an old Lamit 100 portable sawmill that was just lying around, all broken and rusty. But instead of throwing it away, he decided to fix it up. He bent the frame back into shape, replaced some parts, and even put on a new blade. And guess what? It actually works. It cuts through wood like a hot knife through butter. It's so cool to see something old and forgotten come back to life. This video is awesome. I wish I could trust a woman like this guy trust this chain. Fortunately, no accidents occurred. Did you see how that tree just vanished? The Prenoth M450s is a hungry beast. It devoured that tree without mercy. A real one-sided confrontation. The steel MS-500i isn't just a chainsaw. It's a technological marvel, the first of its kind with electronic fuel injection. This translates to raw power and unparalleled efficiency. Witnessing this 5.0 kilodallar beast in action, effortlessly felling a giant cedar, is a testament to its capabilities. Whoa, this is really crazy. Something like this doesn't happen very often. It's really fantastic and intense.
Number 23, the Scania V8 R650. Highline 8X4 Modern 4 heavy military transport is a top-tier military truck from Scania, renowned for its ruggedness and reliability. Equipped with a powerful 16.4-liter V8 engine, delivering 650 horsepower, this truck excels in handling heavy loads in tough terrains. Its 8-4 drivetrain ensures excellent traction and maneuverability in challenging conditions. The spacious Highline cabin offers unparalleled comfort and modern amenities for the driver. Highly customizable, the V8 R650 is ideal for transporting military equipment like tanks and artillery, supporting logistics and emergency rescue missions. Number 24, the Genius STC HD260 by Addix Group is a monumental achievement in demolition excavators. Weighing in at 320 tons, this machine is the epitome of innovation and power, featuring CAT 395 next-gen components for top-tier performance. It boasts an impressive maximum working height of 70 meters and depth of 30 meters, making it suitable for high, far, and deep demolitions. Designed for ease of transport and assembly, it features removable tracks and modular counterweights. Its capability to work with demolition tools up to 25 tons and the use of the Daihatsu MSI 140R shear underscores its efficiency and reliability in handling massive demolition projects. Number 25, the Brage Viking is a state-of-the-art HTS vessel, engineered for high performance in ice-covered and harsh offshore environments. Its Ice-class Ice 1A Super rating confirms its capability to operate in severe Arctic and subarctic conditions. The vessel, launched in 2012, features an impressive 1950 bhp and a powerful bollard pull of 250 tons. With a deck area of 750 messengers and fiber storage capacity of 2x 2500 mm, 160 mm diameter, along with chain storage for 8,000 tonners, 76 mm diameter, the Brage Viking is equipped for extensive and demanding maritime operations. Number 26, Spark the 3, combines cutting-edge technology with practical design to enhance operational tempo. Its terrain-following sensors and high-definition vision systems ensure effective threat detection and route clearance. The vehicle's modularity means minimal logistical burden, keeping operations smooth and efficient.
Just looking at the trunk, it's immediately apparent that this is a behemoth of a tree, isn't it? This is an old-growth cedar, a testament to centuries of growth and resilience. And this seemingly diminutive logger has conquered it with absolute precision. No wasted movements, no hesitation. My goodness, the diameter is well over 8 feet. It's even more awe-inspiring in person than I could have imagined. Ever seen an eagle swoop through the trees? That's the 1270G with the H425, a perfect dance of power and precision. The 1270G's got the guts, the H425's got the finesse, and together they're turning forestry into an art form. It's not just about clearing trees, it's about respecting the forest, working with it, not against it. And that's what makes this job so rewarding. Every day's a new challenge, a new chance to make a difference. The Lumber Pro HD36 isn't merely a portable sawmill, it's a precision instrument, a key that unlocks the potential hidden within raw timber, transforming it into works of functional art. With its formidable cutting power, the HD36 is akin to a surgeon's scalpel, meticulously navigating through massive logs and delicate details alike. It's not just about durability and accuracy. The Lumber Pro HD36 is about empowerment, granting you the freedom to shape your vision with every precious board you conquer. Wow, the WA450ULL's arm is like super long and strong. It's amazing how it picks up those huge logs. But sometimes, even this machine struggles, which is kind of scary. Nature is powerful and we're just trying to keep up. This video serves as a stark reminder of the immense potential energy stored within tensioned wood, akin to a coiled spring waiting to release. Proper felling techniques, learned under expert guidance, are crucial to harness this power safely and avoid its devastating consequences. And that concludes our exciting journey with forestry tech. We hope that through our shared insights, your passion for forestry has been ignited and somewhat fulfilled. See you in the next videos. Are you ready to explore the powerful world of saws? From handy chainsaws to massive logging machines, let's dive into these amazing tools. Don't miss out. Ever wondered how a falling tree could be awe-inspiring? This video of the big hemlock's felling will show you why it's captivated so many. The sheer size and power on display is truly humbling. John Deere. 1110E? More like John Deere, can do anything E. Seriously, this thing is a superhero on slopes. Your wallet might need a superhero cape too, though, because it's about $350,000. The LX55 portable sawmill isn't just a tool, it's your ticket to precision lumber. American-made and built to last, this sawmill is perfect for anyone looking to turn their woodworking dreams into reality. Smooth operation, accurate cuts, and a price that won't break the bank. What's not to love? The TST-800 Tower Yarder isn't just a cable logging system. It's a game changer for timber transportation in challenging terrain. Think steep slopes, tight spaces, no problem. While it might not haul massive loads, it treats every log like royalty, ensuring they arrive in pristine condition. That's why it's a favorite among those in the know. Let me tell you about the coolest new sawmill, the Frontier OS-27 from Norwood Sawmills. These guys have been building portable sawmills for 25 years, so they know a thing or two about getting the job done right. This baby is safe, it's powerful, and it's built to last. Oh, and did I mention it's affordable? $36.47 USD. Yep, Norwood's making sure everyone can get their hands on a top-notch sawmill. Ever dreamt of commanding a forest giant? The Ponce Ergo 8W Harvester is your ticket to an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Picture this. You're nestled in a futuristic rotating cabin. The rumble of the Mercedes engine beneath you. The 36-foot crane dances to your command. It's not just logging. It's a thrilling ballet of man and machine. Ready to take the reins? Whoa, tackling slopes and hairpin turns like these? Must be just another day at the office for these timber truck drivers. They've got to be the calmest dudes I've ever met. Wood, and wood once again. The trees are frightened of this man. In 3 minutes, 5 down, I can't even finish a slice of pizza that quickly, and he gives it all seem so simple. He appears to be dancing with the forest. All right, y'all, get ready for this. We've got a real face-off coming up. It's the M923 going head-to-head with a stump. That's right, a stump. Who do you think's gonna win this epic showdown? Oak is a hardwood known for its density and strength. When milling oak, a sharp blade and powerful saw are essential for efficient processing. In this video, the man utilized a steel MS-361 to fell this mature oak tree. However, I'm curious why they didn't employ the 12-ton winch on their Valtra N101 tractor to pull it down in the opposite direction. Can anyone explain this to me?
Number 5, the CX-7 GR25 is a beast of a road grader. With a weight of 63,000 kilonewton and a rated power of 399 kilowatts at 2100 RPM, this machine is designed for heavy-duty tasks. Its 400mm ground clearance and 25% maximum gradability make it perfect for challenging environments. The friction disc worm gearbox with overload protection ensures safety during heavy loads, while the load-sensing hydraulic system provides smooth and efficient operation. The spacious cab, Equipped with air conditioning and ergonomic features, offers excellent operator comfort. This grader is essential for large-scale construction projects and a true game changer. Number 6, the Bucyrus Erie 2570 is a colossal dragline excavator with a bucket capacity of 160 cubic meters and a 360-foot boom. Weighing in at 14.7 million pounds, it's one of the largest and most powerful machines of its kind. At the Black Thunder mine in Wyoming, the Bucyrus Erie 2570, nicknamed Ursa Major, stands as the third largest dragline ever built and is currently the largest in use in North America. Truly a giant in the world of heavy machinery. Number 7, Komatsu WE 1850. This versatile loader is engineered for maximum productivity with its impressive engine power of 1,091 kilobas, 2,000 HP, and a hefty operating weight of 267,620 ohm. The bucket capacity of 3133 mm3 means more material moved per cycle. Its fuel-efficient SR hybrid drive system regenerates power during braking, reducing fuel consumption by up to 45% compared to similar machines. This not only cuts costs, but also significantly lowers CO2 emissions. It's ideal for a range of site duties, from pit floor maintenance to road repairs. Number 8, the Caterpillar 994H is a powerhouse in the world of wheel loaders. With 4 loader linkage configurations, it adapts to various mining applications seamlessly. Boasting a 1,463 horsepower Cat 35M16B HD engine and an operating weight of 431,000 pounds. This machine is built for heavy-duty performance. Bucket capacities range from 19.5 to 47 cubic yards, ensuring you can handle any load with ease.
The TST 800 Tower Yarder isn't just a cable logging system, it's a game changer for timber transportation in challenging terrain. Think steep slopes, tight spaces, no problem. While it might not haul massive loads, it treats every log like royalty, ensuring they arrive in pristine condition. That's why it's a favorite among those in the know.
Number 18, combining the Caterpillar 385C excavator with Eberhard equipment results in a formidable machine for rail demolition. The Caterpillar 385C delivers the power and stability needed for tough jobs, while Eberhard's technology ensures efficient and secure rail removal. Together, they offer an effective solution for dismantling rail infrastructure. Number 19, DMAG AC7009. With its state-of-the-art design and technology, the DMAG AC709 delivers high precision and efficiency in lifting operations. Its combination of strength, compactness, and advanced control systems makes it a top choice for complex and heavy-duty lifting tasks.
Number 20. The Oversize Innovator, an advanced multi-purpose offshore vessel, was introduced in 2018 and measures 81.9 meters in length with a 17.6 meter width. It's designed to meet the tender requirements for Hess and includes a 6.5 meter draft and 10.7 meter depth. Accommodating 49 crew members, it features a DC electrical concept and high-speed engines with variable RPM. The vessel is equipped with dynamic positioning, DP2, cranes, an ROV hangar, and a dedicated control room, along with an innovative oil spill readiness system. With 18 double cabins and facilities for both boat and gangway transfers, it offers an excellent working environment for technicians. Number 21, Sleipner DB45. Designed to complement a range of heavy machinery, the Sleipner DB45 supports dozers up to the D8T, D155, 150K series, drills up to the Epiroc SmartRock T36, T65, FlexiRock D35, D65, and Sandvik DI450, DI650, DX600, DP1600 models, as well as excavators up to 25 tons. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any fleet.
Number 22. The Raver WRC 1250 AC bandsaw is engineered for precision and efficiency in sawmill operations. It boasts a maximum log diameter of 1,250 mm and a bandsaw blade length of 90 to 45 mm, delivering fast and accurate cuts. The system's advanced features include video and eye visualization for continuous cutting control and a pre-cutter that adjusts to log shapes. Movable log turners and extra hard rails with driven rollers ensure smooth operation. With a cutting capacity of up to 55 m/3 per 8 hours and a maximum board thickness of 340 mm, the WRC 1250 AC is built for high productivity. Number 14, Trimaran Ferry. Meet the 118-meter Trimaran Ferry, a state-of-the-art vessel designed by Austal for Fred Olsen Express in the Canary Islands. This high-speed ferry was launched in 2020 and offers unparalleled service with a capacity for 100 passengers and 278 vehicles. Experience comfort and speed with a vessel built for efficiency and performance. Number 15, BMM 310, the world's first mobile brick-making machine. This innovative piece of equipment can produce between 10,000 to 12,000 bricks per hour, giving you unmatched productivity on the go. Its body is constructed from MS and SS, ensuring durability and strength. Operating on electric power with a genset capacity of 160 kVA, it consumes 16 to 18 liters of fuel per hour. The machine features both automatic and manual operation modes, housed on an SNPC-made chassis. With a manpower requirement of just 2 to 3 workers and using prepared raw materials like clay or mud, it's a game changer for the brick industry. Number 27, Big Float E22. Transforming your excavator into a floating machine has never been easier with the Big Float E22. Installation is straightforward, with no need to modify your excavator's upper carriage. You can get this set up at your location or at the Remu factory, making it convenient and efficient. Number 28, a marvel of engineering. The Batemag P100 isn't just another excavator, it's a powerhouse designed for the Alps. With a robust engine and hydraulic system, it handles steep slopes and water crossings effortlessly. Its ability to jump obstacles while maintaining stability is a testament to its innovative design. Impressive. Number 29, M105 Universal Combat Earth Mover, Heavy-Duty Earth Moving. The M105's hydraulic blade, with its 9 feet 7 inch width, is built for tough jobs. Its ability to move in multiple directions allows for effective creation of defensive positions and roadways. This versatile machine is essential for any military operation involving terrain modification. Number 30, the Steyr-Sugi 35T is designed for high-speed, cost-effective road maintenance. Its wide working range, 2,500 mm to 3,500 mm, and hydraulic adjustments ensure precise profiling and mixing. Plus, with its camera system and joystick control, you can easily monitor and operate from the cabin for maximum efficiency.